See, June 2025, we learned, and I also did the research, that Iranian had placed the order of S-300 missile, surface-to-air missile. And the speculation is that now they have received either S-300 or a better version, S-400. Now, S-400, let me share with your views that it can track around 600, at 600 kilometers, around 200 targets simultaneously. S-400 is a digit. 400 would mean that it does not let anyone come closer than 400. So that's the lethality of this. And one more thing that I must add, if this is the missile which is taking them out, is that this is a missile is hit against a target aircraft which is heading towards it. Normally, a jet aircraft approaches at a speed of about 1,000 kilometers. Against, look at it, this S-400 starts to head towards this incoming threat at a speed of 17,000 kilometers. That's the 17 times more than the incoming threat. So it is a very, very lethal, obviously, weapon. And Pakistani pilots who flew in May 2025, fortunately, I had met those pilots, and I really salute them for having flown. It was a kind of suicidal and the most daring mission of the last war that we had against India. So Iranians, if you fight, they are firing this S-400, that could be one of the most lethal threat the Americans could be facing even in future also.